I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on Linux. First, you'll need to ensure your Steam client is installed and up to date on your Linux distribution. This easy method leverages Steam's built-in compatibility layer, Proton, which allows many Windows games to run seamlessly. We'll walk through enabling this feature and getting your game ready to play. To get started, open your Steam client and go into the Settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll find an option called Steam Play. Click on this and then check the box that says Enable Steam Play for all other titles. Below that, choose a recent version of Proton from the drop-down list. This tells Steam to use Proton for non-native games. Now that Steam Play is enabled, you can proceed with installing Among Us. Head over to your Steam library or search for Among Us in the Steam store. Once you find it, simply click the Install button. Steam will handle the rest, automatically using Proton to download and prepare the game for your Linux system. The installation should be straightforward. With Among Us installed, you're ready to play. Just launch the game directly from your Steam library, exactly as you would any other native Linux title. Proton will work in the background, allowing Among Us to run smoothly. You should now be able to join games, customize your character, and enjoy the fun of finding the imposter with your friends on Linux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.